Coal tar will be firm enough for light foot traffic within a few hours, but needs days to fully cure before regular use. Coal tar cures by solvent evaporation and polymer consolidation, so temperature, humidity, and layer thickness control the timeline. Work in dry weather above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and keep layers thin to promote faster solvent release without trapping moisture beneath. When applying, compact each pass with a hand tamper or plate compactor to remove air pockets and improve adhesion, and feather edges to avoid ridges that trap water. Protect newly laid areas from rain and heavy loads for at least 24 hours, and use temporary barriers and clear signage so people do not unintentionally walk or drive on the surface. If conditions are cool or humid, expect curing to stretch toward a week as solvents evaporate more slowly, and consider adding a polymer-modified mix if faster traffic return is critical. Store unused material in sealed containers to prevent premature solvent loss, and always follow the manufacturer cure guidance printed on the bag or technical data sheet. Common problems include driving on the surface too soon, which causes ruts and tracking. So prevent damage by keeping traffic off for the first 24 hours and using high-strength patch mixes in repair work. Another issue is poor bonding from inadequate surface preparation. And the short fix is to remove loose material, clean with a stiff broom or air blaster, and apply a thin tack coat for adhesion. Third is slow cure in cool, damp weather, which prolongs project timelines. So plan work during warmer, dry windows or use thinner lifts and compact thoroughly to accelerate solvent release. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and project resources related to driveway and walkway planning. And we maintain a discussion community where members share real-world experiences and tips about curing times and materials. We help contractors find work by listing projects and allowing them to respond to homeowner requests, so both sides can coordinate timing and expectations.